Hey, family. Hey, friends. I hope everyone is having an amazing weekend. And I want to thank you for joining me. So, I just wanted to go over how I hold myself accountable when I trade Forex. So, as you can see here, I have this Word document and it says My Market Perspective. And what I use this for is to do my top down analysis when I'm trading Forex. So, what that means is I'll go to my monthly chart. As you can see, I have it on the document, and I'll mark up one or two, maybe three reasons that I'm seeing on the chart, whether it be support and resistance. Whatever I can see on that monthly chart, I just write it up. Then I'll go back down to my lead, as you see on the document, and I'll write one or two reasons or things I see on the chart. And I'll just write that down in this document. And then finally, I'll go to my daily chart and look to see one or two things that the chart is giving that I'll write down. So that is the example I'm showing you. So on the next document, so on this document, on the monthly, I wrote price is breaking the long-term trend line. And as you look at the March candle, you can see on my chart, which I'll show you on the next slide. On my chart, I have it drawn up to where I see the March candle breaking that long-term trend line. And also, I noticed, that's why I wrote it in my notes, that price made a double top from there to there. But I'll show you that on my chart. Okay. And now we'll go to the weekly section that I have. And on that section, I wrote for 28th March 2022, that weekly candle, I noticed the previous candle on March 21st that there was a lot of bullish momentum, and that candle broke through the resistance level I have marked up with the white line. That resistance level was at 0.75 thousand. So I know that the bullish candle broke through that resistance level. And also, when I looked at the 28th of March of 2022, um, the color of the candle changed. Previously, for the previous 2 weeks, but we'll look at the chart, bulls have been in control. So when I noticed on the 28th, the candle color change, meaning the bears are taking control. And so that's why I wrote up candle color change on the resistance level at 0.75 thousand. I noticed that candle color change. And then on my daily notes, I wrote the long wick candlestick rejection of resistance at the 0.76 thousand area. So when I looked at the daily, the candlestick had a long wick rejection, and that tells me that the bulls are losing steam, or buyers are just simply taking their profit, right? They're just erring on the side of caution. So I wrote that note. So I really hope this is helping you. And if it is, could you just smash that like button for me or just leave me a comment? It really helps. Okay.